viewers, this edition of bauma CONEXPO India, the international trade fair for construction machinery, building material machines, mining machines and construction vehicles technology was a huge success. With more than 668 exhibitors from 26 countries, the fair was a great platform to showcase the latest technologies in the construction equipment industry. Attendees were able to explore the latest innovations and trends, as well as network and build relationships with industry professionals. With a great turnout and a successful event, Mojo for Industry interacted with exhibitors such as Volvo Construction Equipment India, MT&T Limited, Kohler Engines, BKT Tires, Manito South Asia Private Limited, MB Crusher India and Electromech India.
I think the bauma CONEXPO 2023 is really great. It has, after 4 years coming to Delhi again, the previous edition had to be cancelled due to COVID. It was postponed but then cancelled. Hence, an exhibition happening in Delhi after 4 years has attracted a lot of quality footfalls. A lot of customers who are in the buying platform see this as a platform to evaluate brands, evaluate products and engage with clients. So the footfalls has been great. So we are quite satisfied with what we have done, being present here and in showcasing our products. And not only that, Delhi is also the place where we can engage more closely with policymakers. And showcasing the launch of our electric machines, this was the best platform we could have used.
Bauma has been pretty exciting. We have this exhibition after 2 years of pandemic, so people are excited, throbbing with excitement, and they're interested to know what's the new innovation that's been in the industry, and people are just curious to know what's new in the industry. The experience is really good. We have launched quite a bit of products over here, so the response from people and the innovation that we bring is keeping them engaged. Yes. So we have launched our Dingley's aerial platform and oil feed range that can go from 5 meters to 44 meters in height. So it's very versatile, very easy to control, very precision in control. We have also launched this mini crawler hoist, amazing, imported from Netherlands, beautiful machine. Then over there we have our web deck solutions, a suspended scaffolding systems that can make working at height easier. It's suitable for your bridges, conveyor belts, steel plants, oil rigs, heli decks, everything. And also we have launched our Monzon's no limit scaffolding, a very unique way of scaffolding where you can protect your workers from weather, and also you can be utilized in many different ways while enhancing your safety and productivity at site.
Every trade show that is connected with construction is extremely important for Kohler. So we just attended bauma in Munich. We will be attending CONEXPO in Las Vegas, and today we are here in Delhi for the bauma CONEXPO. And this is extremely important, as I already said, because Kohler is really focused and ready with this product for the construction business to power the construction equipment. So we are presenting today a range of products that are mainly diesel but also gasoline, that are strongly focused on meet the emission norms of India, and at the same time reassure and be sure that they were ready to provide customers with best-in-class performance and with the main scope to increase the productivity of the end user that are using the machine. One of the things that I would like really to talk about is that today Kohler in this particular booth is presenting their own engine range, and at the same time we are exhibiting with one of the new Kohler acquisition, that is Curtis, that we can see in our booth. Curtis is a manufacturer of inverter and instruments that can be used and installed in any kind of construction machine to be ready and being able also to provide a piece of the full electric solution that a customer may require. if I can say, if I can add something, I would also to say that for Kohler, Bauma is also the opportunity to present innovation, and the engine that is in front of us, also mainly in between of us, is a cooperation between Kohler and Curtis, because this is an hybrid version of our KDI engines.
BC India, we have displayed our latest addition in our product baskets. Tire in size 1600 R25, which has displayed it here. We have designed and developed this tire exclusively for the Indian mining sector, or more specifically open cast mining sector, for 90 to 110 ton dumper, which are having multi-axles. Besides this, we have also displayed high-speed crane tires and mining trailer tires. With regards to event, let me share my experience. Yes, good footfall, quality footfall, and the footfall was not confined only on India. We had an international footfall.
In this bauma, we have displayed all our India made product. We have two telehandler, one is 8 meter, another one is 17 meter, and we have two backhoe loaders, skid steer loader, and one electric VJR, which is basically a aerial work platform. Both of the telehandler and the attachments of the telehandler got the maximum visibility, and the maximum people was interested to see the telehandler, because that's a new product and many people haven't even seen those telehandlers. And because telehandler is such a versatile machine, it can be used for, it can replace the 5 different products. So that is the people were most interested to see. The best takeaway is, even we have shown up not the entire range of the Magneto product, but our presence definitely made it a good present in the bauma, and I am sure the customer would have been happy to see our product. And very good part is we got a lot of good inquiries from this bauma about all products. Well, first of all, I would really like to congratulate the entire bauma team who made this event so successful. And it could be many reasons, but this event, of course, XCON is the bigger event in India, but this time I could see the traction in the bauma is much better than even in XCON, and I think it's a lot of efforts which has done by the bauma team.
So this is our 3rd edition that we participated in. We've done 2016, 18, and this year. And I'm very happy to say that this is by far the best experience we've had at any trade show in India so far. And we've participated also at all the XCons. So we've been very satisfied both in the organization, the infrastructure, and the assistance that we've received with any request that we had. So we have 5 product categories. One is bucket crushers. We have screening buckets. We have drum cutters, we have grapples, and we have shaft screening machines. Here we have on display 3 products: screening machines, excavators, bucket crushers for excavators, and drum cutters. I'm happy to say that also we're doing a live demo this year, and we have 3 machines in the live demo. One is bucket crushers for backhoe loader, one is bucket crusher for excavators, and the other one is a screening machine for excavators. Our products are suitable for all makes, all models of backhoe loaders and excavators, and any tonnage. The BF90, which is suitable for 21 ton class excavators and up. That's our best selling product in India. We have been active in the Indian market for 8 years. That constitutes more or less 60% of our value sales in the Indian market. Also globally, it's our best selling product, and it is the one, the magnet, you can say, that attracts a lot of attention to our stall. Fantastic, really, again, really from the organization side, we really appreciated all the support that we got, and then of course we're here to sell and spread the word about our products. Also the traffic has been phenomenal, both in terms of volume. We got more or less the same kind of volume that we got in the last edition 2018, but the quality has tremendously improved in the sense that we get less curiosity and more concrete discussions, really keen and to pragmatically look at our products and make orders, which we have done very successfully this year.
Our experience has been pretty good. The kind of response that we are seeing at this exhibition is really amazing. In the past, when we had participated, the response was not this high, but I believe the overall condition of the economy being very favorable and this being a very nice location, we are actually getting a very good response. And I believe the product also that we are displaying is also pulling in the crowds because it's a very innovative product that we have on display this time. So what you see right now is what we call as a electric RTG. It's an electric rubber tired gantry crane. So the electric is all the drive motors, all the steering, the hoisting motors, everything is electric. And this is a crane which can be used on project sites, in open yards, for handling precast segments, as for example what we have shown here. It can be used for handling basically bulky and long loads. So again, with this particular product, it is something which is not only travels in straight line, it is possible to steer it, and it's as easy as driving a radio remote control car. In fact, this crane is controlled by a radio remote control, so it makes it very easy to operate. Any operator can just quickly learn to run this crane. This crane also runs, it doesn't require any compacted ground, it runs on uneven surfaces, it can climb a gradient of 5%. So it is almost like a good off-road kind of a crane in a reasonable manner, and it makes life of a customer very easy. And when we are meeting customers at bauma, in fact they are also saying, yes, this is what we were looking for. This is the exact product for our requirements. So the takeaway from bauma is, yes, we have designed a right product. We are getting a lot of feedback from customers about some new features that they would like to see, some new their own specifications, different applications that they are thinking about. So it has become a very interactive process for us at bauma. So the takeaway for us is definitely we'll be carrying all these inputs, all the insights that we have got from the customers back home, which will go into our product design. And we are looking forward to be a significant part of material handling activities when it comes to India.
Thank you so much for watching this special bulletin from bauma CONEXPO India 2023, sponsored by MT&T Group and Kohler Engines.
For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.